These stuffing biscuits are a must for this Thanksgiving. They're fluffy, buttery, and taste just like Thanksgiving stuffing. Start by sauteing the usuals, your carrots, celery, and garlic. Saute this for about 5 minutes and then remove the veggies from the pan. Place in a small bowl to allow the veggies to cool completely. Then prepare the dough. Add spices, whisk, and add lots of cold butter. You'll break that down until it resembles small pieces and is fully incorporated into the flour. Then toss in lots of fresh herbs like sage, parsley, and rosemary. Add your cooked veggies and buttermilk and use a spatula to gently combine all the ingredients until it forms a sticky dough. Then you'll sprinkle some flour on a parchment-lined surface and add the dough. Then with floured hands, gently form the dough into a rectangle. You're going to make sure your hands are well floured because the dough will be sticky, and you want to gently manipulate it into the shape that you'd like, and then use the parchment paper to help fold the dough over. I like to fold the dough at least 2 to 3 times, and between each time I fold it, I gently press it out. Then, super important, make sure you transfer your dough to the freezer to chill, then slice it and add butter to your baking dish. Add buttermilk and rosemary mixture on top and then bake until golden brown. Now you have these delicious, fluffy, savory biscuits to enjoy.